Today we are going to discuss about precedence and associativity. While solving an expression in C, we should have knowledge of precedence and associativity of the operators. Before knowing what is precedence and associativity, let us try to know what is the expression. An expression is combination of variable, constants and operators written according to the syntax of the C language. Now if we see this diagram, we see that an expression y equal to a plus b is written. In this expression, we have three variables y, a and b. Two operators are present, assignment operator and addition operator. In this expression, a and b are called operands. Some examples of C expression are shown in the table given below. Now, if we have algebraic expression, we have to make some modification while writing for C expression. For example, if we have A into B minus C, this is an algebraic expression. When we write this algebraic equation as a C expression, some modification is to be made. In place of the cross symbol, we use the asterisk. So A asterisk B minus C. M plus N into X plus Y. This expression in C expression is written like this one. In a similar way, AB slash B can be written as A asterisk B slash C. Now if we have 3x square plus 2x plus 1 algebraic equation, while solving this one using the C language, we have to modify this expression and we write as a C expression like this one. 3 asterisk x asterisk x plus 2 asterisk x plus 1. Similarly, x slash y plus c is written as a x slash y plus c. Evaluation of the expression. How expression is evaluated? In the C programming language, an expression is evaluated based on the operator precedence and associativity. So we should know the precedence and associativity of the operator used in the expression. When there are multiple operators in an expression, they are evaluated according to their precedence and associativity. The operator with higher precedence is evaluated first and the operator with the least precedence evaluated last. Now let us discuss operator precedence. It dictates the order of evaluation of operators in an expression. For example, if we have expression 24 plus 5 asterisk 4, then how this expression is evaluated? From this figure, it is clear. Knowing that the multiplication operator asterisk has the higher precedence than the addition operator. So first this operation is performed, 5 is multiplied by 4, that results in 20, and then this 20 is added to the 24 and finally we get the 44. Associativity. It defines the order in which operators of the same precedence are evaluated in an expression. So given is the expression, it may possible that number of the operators appear and these operators are of the same precedence. So how to solve this one? This is using the associativity. Associativity can be either from left to right or right to left. For example, given the expression as 100/10 into 10, and in this expression slash, that is for the division, and asterisk multiplication, these two operators have same level of the precedence, but associativity is from left to right as far as arithmetic operators are concerned. So first we see the slash operator, that is division operator. So this has higher associativity, whereas asterisk for multiplication has lower asterisk associativity. So first we perform the division, that is 100 divided by 10, that results with 10, and then 10 is multiplied by the 10, and finally we get the output as a 100. So while solving this expression, we have to follow the associativity. Now this table shows the precedence as well as associativity of the operators. So in this table we see that brackets have the highest associativity and equal, plus equal, minus equal, asterisk is equal, these operators as the lowest precedence. These three brackets, curly brackets, small brackets, square brackets, have the higher precedence, but they are in the same level of the precedence. So when these brackets appears, we have to evaluate them from left to right. Now if we talk about the arithmetic operators, we see here that multiplication, division, modulus operator have higher precedence than the addition and subtraction operator. When these operators appear in an expression, we have to evaluate the expression according to their precedence. Also, if operators of the same precedence appears, we have to evaluate the expression from left to right. Now let us see an example. If we have to solve an expression x is equal to 10 minus 3 modulo 8 plus 6 slash 4, then knowing that modulus operator and division operator have same precedence level, but while solving the expression we have to follow the associativity from left to right. So modulus operator is acted first and giving the 3 modulus 8 as a 3 plus 6 slash 4. Then in this expression we are having the division operator, and this division operator has higher precedence than subtraction and addition operator. So first we perform the division operation and that results 6 divided by 4. Both operands are integer and it results as a 1. So 10 minus 3 plus 1. Again here we find that two operators, subtraction and addition operators appear, but these two operators has same precedence. So we have to follow the associativity from left to right. So first 3 is subtracted from 10 and then 1 is added to this. So 10 minus 3 results as a 7, then plus 1, and finally we get output as a 8. In this example we have to solve an expression x is equal to 17 minus x slash 4 into 2 plus 3 minus plus 5. In this expression, if we recall the precedent table, we find that plus that is increment operator has the highest priority and the assignment operator has the lowest priority. So while solving this one, we have to solve the operator having the highest priority. So in this expression, first we have to increment the value of 5. That results in 6. And the expression can be written as a 17 minus 8 slash 4 into 2 plus 3 minus 6. Now in this resulting expression, we find that division and multiplication operator have highest priority than the subtraction and addition operator. So we have to solve the division and multiplication operator following the associativity rule. So first we solve division and then the multiplication. So in this step 8 slash 4 and this results with 2. So our next expression becomes 17 minus 2 into 2 plus 3 minus 6. So again 2 into 2 is solved first as a multiplication is having the highest priority than others. So 17 minus 4 plus 3 minus 6. Now in resulting expression, subtraction and addition operators are present and these operators have same precedence. So we have to follow the rule of the associativity. Then we have first perform 17 minus 4 and this results 13, then plus 3 minus 6. And again in the next step we have to add 13 and 3 first and that results 16 and then minus 6. And finally 16 minus 6 that result as a output of 10. So in this way, following the precedence and associativity rules, we have solved this expression. In another example, we have to solve an expression x is equal to 12 plus 3 minus 4 slash 2 less than 3 plus 1. Now in this expression we are having a relational operator. So relational operator has in a precedence level higher than the assignment operator, but precedence level as compared to the addition and subtraction operation is less. So in this expression, while solving, we have to solve like this. So again we are having a division operator that has the highest priority among all. So 4/2 results with 2, and the expression now becomes 12 plus 3 minus 2 less than 3 plus 1. Now in this one, addition and subtraction operators have higher precedence than the relational operator less than. So we operate first the additional and subtraction operator and following the rule of associativity. So 12 plus 13 results 15 minus 2 less than 3 plus 1. Now in the next step, 15 minus 2, and this results 13 less than 3 plus 1. Now here in two operators less than and plus operator, addition operator has the higher priority. So we solve this one, that is 3 plus 1 results with 4. So 13 minus 4. So this is the relational operator. Naturally 13 minus 4 is wrong, and finally we get the output as a 0. Thus we have seen three examples that are solved using the rules of precedence and associativity. So with this lecture we have understanding that you have got the knowledge of precedence and associativity, and how this precedence and associativity is applied to solve the an expression for the correct result. So we end our class at this point. Bye.